How to play YouTube in background. To do this, first of all, you can simply go on the browser. Going on the browser, you can search for YouTube on the search bar. After searching for YouTube, you can just select any videos that you want to watch. After selecting any videos that you want to watch, just open it. And opening it. And even when you will close this video and go back, this video will still play on your background. You can just on the video like this and keep it off. So you can pause and resume the video as you want to. This is how you can play the YouTube video on your background. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.